Well, hello, and today I'm going to show you how to put your model you've made into gmod. A few days ago I made this model Excalibur from Fate, and I haven't put it into gmod or showed you how to put it because I lost a computer that could do fucking anything. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and simply, the best way to do it is make sure that when you export your model, you only have one model. So I'm going to delete this one. And then I'm going to export this as a OBJ. And there's already one here, so I'm going to overwrite it, I think. I'll just do it again, just to make sure. So export as an OBJ. And it's going to generate an MTL file. You do not need this MTL file. It's really for shaders and UV maps, but I don't see a way to load a shader or MTL file into Blender, so we're just going to load the material itself, not the shaders. And to do that, simply all you need to do is, first off, we're going to actually get the model in the gears, but hold on. So you're gonna need a Dropbox account or some file loader that you can share links with. I haven't gotten Mediafire to work that well because I'm pretty sure it randomizes its link each time or expires. So Dropbox has worked for me, so I'm gonna use Dropbox. What you need to do is upload your file and upload the OBJ file, and then you're going to share this link, create a link, and copy it. Go back into gmod, and then add a model. So I go into gmod, not back into gmod. I'm going to T-pose here. Control T. Come on. Okay, guess I'm not going to T-pose then. Let's do it that way. And then you want to replace the model here with that URL. Let's see there. Model is now in the gmod. And see here, it is not textured. You can either use one of the gmod textures, and if you actually UV mapped it, it will load right. If not, it'll probably look weird. So there. And this is how you can tell if you UV mapped it right in the waste wire. And also this. It stretches the material throughout the whole thing, so you might want to create another scene here. But essentially it. So if you want to actually upload your own custom material or texture, UV map, or whatever you want to call it, well then you must have an actual material to begin with. So I have Excalibur here. Material looks really bad, but I was just doing it on the go, so you want to find this later probably. But just upload file, upload that material. You want to do the same thing. You want to share the link. Great. Copy link. Go back into gmod and in the material section, paste in that link, and give it a minute. And that's essentially it. Now sometimes it can be buggy or just doesn't want to work. Sometimes clicking layer will update it right. But if it straight just doesn't work for you, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help you out. But yeah, that's essentially it. That is how you upload model into gmod.